The fireguard was a product that JCC have been producing for several years. We've tried to look at everything that could make it better by improving every aspect of it.
During the development process of the fireguard product, we have two people in mind, the contractor and the end user. For the contractor, we want to make sure that the installation is as simple and easy as possible. And for the end user, we want to make sure that when the product's installed in the ceiling, the product looks as modern and stylish as possible.
We attended exhibitions and spoke with electricians that we already had relationships with and gained valuable feedback that built a product specification for the fireguard next generation that we have today.
It was created for the electrician by the electrician.
The design of the product has been made to be as easy to install in the ceiling as possible.
It's all very well being sat at my desk with my lovely wide computer screen. The true test comes when you're on your own at the top of a ladder and you've got two hands and a limited number of tools that you can carry with you. So the obvious thing is, well, don't get too carried away, don't make it too complicated, and if it's no tools, so much the better.
The can itself has been reduced in height to make sure it can get into shallower ceiling voids. The can shape has been changed to more of a cone shape, meaning that the spring clips can fold further back, meaning the width is limited and it's easier to get into the ceiling.
We've added the clips from the V50, which was something that we got back from the electricians. They liked that from the V50, so they wanted implemented into the new fireguard because that also eases installation for them.
The terminal block has been removed from the back of the can and put onto a flex, meaning it's much more simple to terminate and also get the fitting into the ceiling. The terminal block itself has been completely redesigned. The hinge on top of it is a 180-degree open, meaning you can get your fingers all the way into the terminal block, allowing for a simple termination. There is integrated strain relief within the terminal block, meaning when you clamp down, there is a strong strain relief on that cable. All of these elements have been specified by the electrician to make the fastest installation possible.
As much as obviously we've got a lot of feedback from the electricians about what they wanted, we also wanted a product that looked great once it was fitted.
When we look at the bezel design that we've selected for the IP20, IP65 and the tilt, the brilliant white paint has been specially selected to match the most popular white that's used on ceilings. And if we look at the design of the bezel, they're all designed as one family. Therefore, when you walk from your corridor into your bathroom, the downlights will look the same throughout your whole house.
The bezel itself is removable. You simply twist the bezel from the fitting and then you can swap it for a different colour if you wish. The fitting is available in brushed nickel, chrome and brilliant white. All of these changes that we've made to the appearance of the fitting from beneath the ceiling are based on what the end users and the electricians have fed back to us.
Most homes these days either have or should have insulation in the loft spaces. The way this product has been designed, that you push the can up into the ceiling void.
And what it does, as it goes upwards, it creates a natural archway on the foam so that you end up with your void around the side of the can and above the can, so that all of the air dissipation has the free air movement without obstructing the insulation. Fireguard's been tested in solid joists, web joists, eye joists. We've made it so that whatever the installation, they shouldn't have any difficulties with whatever's behind the ceiling. It should be the same installation either way.
In designing this product, what we've tried to do is improve every aspect of it without compromising any of the quality. So we've looked at it from the aspect of the end user and the person installing it, so that there's a product at the end of the day that everyone will be happy with.
This was already a very popular product, but we've developed it now into being the next level, so it's now the easiest it could be to install, and that's what sets fireguard apart from the other products.